ergonomic, adaptable, and mobile. The machine is extremely easy to operate. To operate the machine, connect the power plug to the mains while heeding the safety instructions and operate the red on-off switch on the back of the machine. Open the rear cover. The Start menu will appear on the touchscreen display. Press the blue arrow key. The error message "No paper" will appear on the display. You can refill the machine with paper in just a few easy steps. First of all, insert the paper roll in the paper magazine. Then manually feed the folded end of the roll over the individual bearing-mounted rollers and the folding table and into the machine by means of a few simple movements. Look through the inspection window and check that the paper has been inserted as far as the toothed wheels. Hold down the Start button to start the paper feeder. Once the paper has been taken up, you can release the button. Now close the rear cover. Confirm the error message shown on the display by pressing the blue arrow key. The main menu will be displayed. The paper feeder has been activated. The machine is now ready to use. The innovative touchscreen display makes it easy for you to select the operating program that fits your packaging requirements. Self-explanatory icons make the process even easier. Use the blue arrow keys to set the machine to the optimum working height. Make your selection using the main menu key. You now have 4 different operating programs to choose from based on your individual requirements. Choose between On Demand, Container, Programming, or Special mode. In the flexible On Demand mode, you can adapt production to your individual work rate. To do this, after selecting the paper field, you select the length of the paper pad you need by first pressing the blue arrow keys. Starting with a minimum length of 20 centimeters, you can go up in 1 centimeter increments or increase the speed of the process by keeping your finger on the keys for longer. The maximum pad length is 300 centimeters. Now start production of the first paper pad by pressing the green arrow key. When you take out the paper, the machine will produce another pad of the programmed length. Want to produce up to 100 paper pads and save time in the process? Then select the Container Mode program from the main menu. By selecting the paper field, you can then enter the pad length you require. You can change the value using the blue arrow keys. The next step you need to take is to specify the desired number of paper pads by selecting the quantity field and then entering the number using the blue arrow keys. Press the green arrow key to start production. The number of pads that you've specified will now be produced in one production run. After the start of production, you can initiate flexible intermediate stops during production by operating the Start button, which is now marked in red. In programming mode, you can store up to 10 different length and quantity requirements, which can be flexibly selected according to your individual requirements at the touch of a button. You can integrate the foot pedal when working in Special mode. You can override your predefined paper pad length by briefly operating the foot pedal. By keeping your foot on the pedal, you can increase the value to the length required according to your requirements in each case. The toolbox symbol takes you to the service menu, where you can find solutions to problems such as paper jams, for example. PAPERplus Classic 2 is an impressive machine due to the quality of paper pads it produces for highly effective cushioning. The protective packaging is suitable for cushioning and stabilizing medium weight to heavy products. Due to the reduced quantity of material required, StoroPack also provides an economical solution for efficiently filling the voids in your package around heavy packaged goods. The slim, upright design of the PAPERplus Classic 2 machine enables paper to be output above the work area after you have selected an operating program. The portable stand guarantees mobility for changing work locations. Integrating the foot pedal in on-demand mode will enable you to modify pre-programmed values according to your requirements during the production process.